Migrating data from Google Drive to Azure Blob Storage can be a tricky and time-consuming process, but not with Cloudshot. Cloudshot makes it super simple, fast, and secure. You can manage multiple accounts while ensuring accurate migration. You can easily copy data from Google Drive to Azure Blob Storage. We have used this in Cloudshot, so we can confidently say it's the best solution for cloud migrations. Let's get started. First, you need to fetch the Azure diagram. To do this, simply click on Azure Network Discovery button. If you would like to learn more about fetching diagrams, check out the Azure Cloud Account video. Then click on Cloudshot menu. Then go to the Microsoft Azure option. From there, select Google Drive to Azure Blob Storage Migration. The dashboard window will open. At the top, there are two main sections. On the left, you will see the Add New GDrive Account button, which we will use to connect our source account. Click on that. This will open up Google's authentication window where you'll select which Google Drive account you want to use. Choose your account, and you'll see a permission screen. This is where you'll need to click Allow to give the application access to your Google Drive files. Once done, you will be able to see all your files listed here. On the right, there's the Add New Blob Storage Account button, where your files will be copied to. Click on that. You will receive a message that Azure Blob Storage has been fetched successfully. Click on this drop-down, and it will show you all your available storage accounts. For this demo, we will select one account from the list. Then click on the Connect button. You will receive a message that storage account has been connected successfully. You can also add multiple storage accounts by following the same process. Let's select the container from the drop-down menu. Now, let's start with migrating the data. Select the file you want to migrate to Blobstorage. Then click on the Copy button. You can track everything in the Last Transfer History section at the bottom. Here, you'll see details like file names, sizes, status, and the time when the migration was completed. Then click on the Refresh button. As you can see here, your file has been migrated successfully. Let's try one more time. This time, we will select a folder. You can open this folder as well. Now, let's migrate it by clicking the Copy button. Then click on Refresh button. Here, you can see that all the data from your folder has been migrated successfully. You can also select two files at the same time for migration. What's great about this setup is that you can see exactly what's happening with your data at every step. You can also disconnect the Google Drive account from here. Once disconnected, you'll receive a message that your account has been successfully disconnected. You can also view the transferred data by clicking on the Search option. This will open the Search component window. Search for your blob storage and select it. Then click on the Show Component button. The blob storage will be highlighted. Right-click on that blob storage and navigate to Cloudshot Azure and select Containers. Now, open the container where you migrated your data. And there you have it. You can now see all your transferred files and verify that everything has been migrated successfully. You can also download and copy files from here. We have also migrated a new folder. Let's check it out. Here, you can see that all your files have been successfully migrated. With Cloudshot, cloud migration is no longer a trouble. It's quick, secure, and effortless. So don't settle for less when it comes to your cloud migration needs. Choose Cloudshot today and experience the future of seamless cloud transitions. Thank you for watching.